Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something absolutely exciting. We're exploring 6 incredible gadgets that combine innovation, design, and pure fun. From futuristic building sets to smart cooking devices, LED accessories, and mesmerizing sound technology, this list has something for everyone. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. City Train MOC. The City Train MOC is not your ordinary building block toy. It's an engineering masterpiece made for both collectors and creative minds. With 1889 pieces of high-quality ABS plastic, this European Vectron electric passenger train set brings your imagination to life. Compatible with Lego pieces, it's perfect for adults and teens who love to build detailed models. The design captures the sleek lines of modern European trains, and every piece fits with satisfying precision. Made from eco-friendly materials, it's durable, safe, and built for countless hours of creativity. Whether you're into model trains or just love building sets that look incredible on display, this City Train MOC is a fantastic choice. Number 5. Laptop Stand Fan. Next up, the Laptop Stand Fan, a sleek aluminum cooling stand designed to keep your laptop running cool and stable, no matter how intense your work or gaming gets. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, it's sturdy, foldable, and adjustable to your ideal viewing angle. The built-in cooling fan offers strong airflow with adjustable speed and quiet operation, keeping your laptop at optimal temperature. It's compatible with all laptops from 11 to 16 inches, including MacBooks, Dell, Lenovo, and more. The integrated USB interface makes it easy to connect, while its modern design adds a professional touch to your desk setup. Whether you're gaming, editing, or working long hours, the laptop stand fan keeps performance smooth and style on point. Number 4. Smart Meat Thermometer. If you love cooking or grilling, the Smart Meat Thermometer is a total game changer. This wireless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled thermometer gives you complete control over your cooking temperature with incredible precision. It features 2 probes, one long, one short, made from food-grade stainless steel. Both deliver ultra-accurate readings with just a 1-second response time. With dual connectivity, you can monitor food via Bluetooth up to 328 feet or Wi-Fi from anywhere in real time. The Smart app includes 28 meat presets and follows USDA guidelines, so you'll always cook to perfection. Its magnetic base, bright LCD screen, and powerful 2,500 mAh battery make it practical and long-lasting. Plus, it's waterproof, dishwasher-safe, and super easy to clean. Whether you're cooking steak, turkey, or barbecue, this thermometer ensures perfect results every time. Number 3. Venom Ferrofluid Speaker. This one's truly mesmerizing. The Venom Ferrofluid Speaker is more than just a sound device, it's a visual experience. Inside a high-transparency glass bottle, Ferrofluid dances dynamically to your music, creating a hypnotic, ever-changing display that reacts to every beat. With customizable 4-color lighting, you can set the mood, whether it's relaxing vibes or party energy. The 360-degree panoramic view lets you watch from any angle, while the Bluetooth 5.0 connection provides smooth, lag-free audio from your phone or laptop. It's part speaker, part art piece, and part stress relief gadget. Imagine relaxing while watching magnetic fluid pulse and move with your favorite tunes. It's futuristic, elegant, and absolutely captivating. Number 2. LED Cup Handle. The LED cup handle brings fun and style to your Stanley tumbler. Designed for the Stanley Quencher H2.0 and Pro Tour 40-ounce, 30-ounce models, this rechargeable handle lights up in 6 vibrant colors, including gradients, flashes, and soft tones. With just one touch, you can switch lighting modes and transform your cup into a glowing accessory that stands out in any setting: parties, camping nights, or cozy evenings at home. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's waterproof, easy to install, and includes a built-in 500 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 7 hours per charge. Plus, it comes with screws and a mini screwdriver for easy setup. This LED cup handle isn't just functional, it's stylish, energetic, and makes your tumbler truly one of a kind, perfect as a gift for anyone who loves a touch of flair. Number 1. Rocket USB Fan. Finally, the Rocket USB Fan, a compact yet powerful desk fan that combines cooling, mist spraying, and colorful RGB lighting in one sleek rocket-shaped design. It's built with quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or gaming setups. The mist sprayer adds refreshing moisture to the air, while the RGB color-changing lights create an atmospheric glow that's both relaxing and futuristic. Made from durable plastic with a metallic finish, it's lightweight, portable, and powered via USB for easy use anywhere. Whether you're working, studying, or just chilling, the Rocket USB Fan keeps you cool with a touch of style and sci-fi energy. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.